again. We are back again. So and currently we are making profit. We are making profit of $11 right now. So we are making $11 right now, guys. So guys, if you notice my all my trading, I have a similar strategy, guys. I have a similar strategy, a trend line break. So I trade trend line break. So look at this one now. Look at this one. See, we had a touch at this point. We had a touch at this point. See, we had another touch. Then we had a breakout. Guys, it's very simple. It's very simple, guys. So immediately I saw that breakout, then we had a small retrace back. See, look at it. We have a retracement to this zone. This is where I execute my trade, and we are currently floating in profit. So this is my target. I'm targeting at least this low. So because of this, I know market might be, as in there's a probability as in we might get to this zone. So this is my target, guys. So it's very simple, guys. When you see a breakout, guys, wait for a retracement, then you execute your trade. So it's very simple, guys. It's very simple. So, and another thing, look at it. We have a liquidity. This is what gave me the confidence. We had a liquidity sweep at this zone. So liquidity was swept at this zone. So this is where we had our liquidity sweep. So there we have a liquidity sweep at this zone. So that is what gave me the confidence. So there's a high probability we might get to this zone. So when the trade break below this low, when we close below this low, then I will reduce my stop loss to this zone. I will reduce my stop loss to this zone, but currently I'll place it here. I'll place it here for now. So guys, let's see how it's going to play out. Let's see, guys. So but currently we are making $27, guys. So we need patience for this trade to play out, guys. So that's why, and at times it's very important you know how to read market direction. It's very important. So it's very obvious when we look at it, as in when we look to the back, look at it, guys. See, the market was going up at this zone. Look at it, the market came down here. So the market changed direction and started coming down. So again, we had a change of character. This is where we had our change of character. So we had a change of character at this point. We had a change of character, and the market started pulling to the upside. So, and eventually, after having these multiple touches on the trend line, we finally broke out at this point. So that is what gave me the confidence. So there is a high probability we'll start pushing to the downside again. So guys, it's very simple to analyze market direction. If you know the direction, you know how to flow with the market. So that is it, guys. It's very important you know the direction of the market. It's very important, guys. So we need patience for this trade. Guys, can you see this? The market came to this zone. Look at it. It just flashed to this zone right now, and it went back. So we need to be very patient, because at times market does not move in a straight line. So there's a high probability we might have something like this. We push to the upside again, then break structure, pull up again, then break structure, pull up again. So that's how the market moves. So it doesn't just most of the times it doesn't just move straight to your TP. No, it doesn't move like that, guys. So I hope we can smash our take profit in this video. But anyhow, I'll keep you guys updated. Let's see. Let's see how it's going to play out first. So, but so far so good. It's looking good right now. It's looking good right now. So, guys, I'm going to reduce my stop loss. So, I'm reducing my stop loss to this zone. So, guys, I'm reducing my stop loss to this zone. So, this is where I'll place my stop loss now, guys. So, I'm setting my stop loss to that zone. So, guys, the market is very slow right now, but we need patience, guys. We need patience. So this is going to be our stop loss for now. This is our stop loss, guys. So guys, let's see how it's going to play out. Guys, it's moving crazy right now. We are going crazy right now, guys. So if we close, okay, guys, we finally close below this low. We finally close below this low, guys. So there's a probability we might start having a push to the downside. So guys, we are moving massively into profit right now. So we are currently making $66 right now, guys. We are making $66, guys. Guys, remember, we are scalpers. We are not swing traders. We are scalpers, guys. So I trade 3 minute time frame. At times I trade 1 minute time frame, guys. So I might decide to take my profit now, guys. I might decide to take my profit because we have a lot of support. See, the market can reverse from this zone. There's a probability the market can reverse from this zone. There's a probability it can reverse from this zone. So we have a lot of zone the market can reverse from. So that's why, guys, as a scalpers, you must have this in mind. You don't stay long in the market. So guys, I might decide to take my profit now. So I'm not going to stay long on this trade. So guys, I'm taking my profit. We'll reposition and look for another setup. Guys, we are scalpers. Have it in your mind. So you don't stay long on the trade. So guys, we are scalpers. I'm taking my profit. I'm taking my profit. I'm closing this position right now, guys. So guys, so we'll reposition and look for another setup. We'll reposition and look for another setup. So we are out of this trade. So we'll reposition and look for another setup, guys. So position and look for another setup because there's a probability we might start be having something like this. So we start be having something like this to the downside. Sorry, we might start be having something like this to the downside. So, and we are scalpers, we can't be wasting time in the market. So we'll look for another opportunity, guys. So have a nice day. Peace.